Hello there. Well, love it or loathe it, New Year's Eve is just around the corner, and it's likely that the weather will play an important role in closing out the year of 2023. Yes, there's more rain to come, some of it heavy, and snow likely at lower levels into the north, and still there's a risk of gale force gusts of winds with the heaviest of the rain. It's this area of low pressure, it's drifting in from the Atlantic, bringing that wet weather with it. Ahead of it, we've got this little brief ridge of high pressure. So that means a bitterly cold start to Saturday morning across Scotland and northeast England, but you will keep the sunshine for most of the day. Clouding over from the west, heavy rain moving out of Northern Ireland into Scotland. We'll start to see some snow at lower levels as well. Heavy rain across northwest England, Wales, down into the southwest, accompanied by gale force gusts. But central and southeastern England should stay dry during daylight hours with temperatures around 11 or 12 degrees. Cool in Scotland, 5 degrees at the very best for some, and that means a further risk of some snow, some of it at lower levels, which could cause an impact if you're out and about. So keep abreast of the forecast, keep tuned into your BBC local radio station for traffic and travel updates. That frontal system will start to ease away, but we're still under this influence of low pressure centred to the northwest, and so circulating around that low will be a rash of sharp showers. Most of those showers will be out towards the west, sheltered eastern areas a little dry and brighter, but some will tend to drift further inland. So let's take a look at New Year's Eve in the afternoon. Some showers out towards the southwest into Wales, southern England, blustery winds here, temperatures between 8 and 10 degrees. A few sharp showers, some of these could be thundery across northwest England into Northern Ireland, western Scotland as well. But a slightly quieter story across northeast Scotland in comparison to of late. Still the risk of more persistent rain into the Northern Isles and still pretty blustery here. But as we move out of New Year's Eve into New Year's Day, we need to keep a close eye on this frontal system that's drifting in from the south. That could bring some rain into the Channel Isles, into parts of Cornwall and across the Isles of Scilly. But for most of us, it will be a slightly quieter day. There'll be a few scattered showers around. The wind's not quite as strong, and hopefully some winter sunshine to look out for. So if you're going to get out and about and just walk off some of the excess, we're looking around 5 to 10 degrees at the very best. Now, moving out of Monday into Tuesday and Wednesday, if you're lucky enough still to have a couple of days at home, there will be some rain around. This makes it look pretty dismal, but there will be showers with some brighter interludes from time to time and just that little bit cooler as well. Now, that trend for the first week of January will start to ease away as the low pressure moves through. We could see this area of high pressure building and quietening things down. Now, if that happens, we could actually drag in more of a northeasterly wind, so it potentially could get colder as well. A lot of uncertainty about this. Keep watching the forecast for updates, but after that low moves away, early January could see a gradual change to some drier but colder weather. There'll be some winter sunshine by day, but also the risk of some overnight frost and fog. There you go, something to look forward to. Whatever you're doing, Happy New Year and take care.